What's up, man? What's good, Greg?
Just chilling, bro.
Hey, man, you know I've been waiting to get this episode shot, bro. You literally gonna be able to say this was the only episode that I had a custom outfit made to match your car.
Oh, for sure.
Hey, man, we've been partners for a long time, man. And I think it's safe to say, you know what you're doing when it comes to building these 63s.
Yeah, a little bit. Just
Yeah.
a little bit, bro.
Yeah. Why the 63, man?
63 is the one that my dad and I, we went looking for a old school. We was down in Sedalia because I wanted a 4. Couldn't find a 4. So we was down in Sedalia. We ended up on an old car lot. Just the front end of my other car was showing. I said, Pops, it's probably a 4 doors. He's like, just turn around, let's go look. So I turn around, it was a 2 door.
Yeah.
So it was all she wrote. After that, it's been 63 ever since.
What made you want to build a wagon, man?
Well, actually, I want all 3.
Okay.
I want the hard top, the wag, and the drop. So I got to have a trifecta.
Man, I want you to tell me about the wagon a little bit, man. Break down why you chose to go in the direction you did with the interior.
Just trying to do something different. You know, watching all the car shows. So everybody's like, what is that? So to me, it's a off-brand basket weave.
Yeah.
So I couldn't afford the real stuff, so I've got the imitation. So it's the basket weave. I just wanted the factory one didn't come with armrest, so I wanted an armrest put in there. So I had to come in an armrest and put an armrest in there. And then the speakers, the door panels. I'm tired of the speaker pods. Everybody got the speaker pods and all that heavy on the door. So I just had the 63 cut in there for the 6.5 and the Impala in for the tweeters. And then Jerry, before he stopped doing what he was doing, put my TV in.
Okay.
And then Jay at Wheels and Deals finished me up.
Tell me about the setup, man. What exactly do you have in here? Because it sounds nice, man, when you're coming down the street.
You can see I got the Pioneer head unit, Alpine TV, DC Audio 10, 2 DC Audio amps, 4 6.5s, and 4 tweeters.
Okay.
Less is more.
Yeah, man. I ain't gonna lie to you. It sounds like you got way more than that.
In fact,
you know?
That's why I done it. Less is more.
Yeah,
you
it
don't
sounds
need
like
all
you
that,
got
really.
more than that, man. What's happening? It's your man, Mike Richardson, aka Player Mike. Aka Player Mike. Again, I want to say thank you. Scratch that. What's going on today, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Yellow Lines. Today, we are in Kansas City. We're in Kansas City, Missouri at Bartle Hall at World of Wheels show. We've got a good show for you today. We got lots of cars for you. Check it out. What color is this? Who painted it? And what made you go with this color?
This color is the Tangula off that Lamborghini. I think it was 2002 or 5 or something, orange Lamborghini. And you know the car used to be gold.
Yep.
So I didn't want to go back gold. And I just couldn't figure out what color I wanted. You know, red wouldn't look right on here. I mean, a little red wagon, yeah, but it just wouldn't look right. And then so once I looked through the paint book, saw this. It was golden.
The icing on the cake was the surfboard, man. What made you go with that, man? And give me the backstory on the surfboard.
I wanted to do something different. I seen a couple other cats with surfboards on there, so I was like, well, I gotta have me one too. So dude that was at the shop, he's like, well, I got one. I just found one at the garage sale. So I got that, and then had Justin paint it up. I had to put Jamie on there and DJ.
Yeah.
I don't have Ray on there yet, but that's what the surfboard was about, just to be different.
Yeah, and for those who don't know, man, he's talking about Justin that's in our car club. Justin's also a member of Down for Life, and he did a killer paint job on that surfboard. And he implemented Jamie, which that's the picture you see him hop in the car. He was a Down for Life member who passed away, and DJ is also one of the founding members of Down for Life, and that's where you see that KC hat. We always try to commemorate them guys in our cars, man, to represent our fallen homeboys.
For sure.
Yeah. Make sure y'all go to our YouTube and look at the full episodes. Like, share, and subscribe. That's what's gonna help us keep bringing this content to you, man. Keep supporting us, and we appreciate those that supporting us from the very beginning. And we still here with Greg, man. One of the things I want to talk about is the steering wheel and the steering column. Break that down to me.
I had the factory steering wheel on there. It was a little big, so I was like, I needed something a little bit smaller.
Yeah.
So if I got something a little smaller, I said I might as well go with a Nardi. So that's where the Nardi came from.
Man, we love the Nardis around this part.
Yeah, facts.
Hey, man, well, one of the things that I like about your build was your wheels. I like the way you implemented the color on your rims. What size rims? What's your setup and your offset? And what's the brand of the rims? And what made you choose that actual rim?
I got to give a shout out to my boy Phil. So
yes, sir.
Phil was over in the lab. Him and I was, talking about it, and so that's how it came about. Put a little orange in the Santi, so I said I need like 20 by 10s in the rear and 20 by 9s in the front. So he made it happen.
Tell me about the setup, man. What exactly do you have in here? Because it sounds nice, man, when you're coming down the street.
As you can see, I got the Pioneer head unit, Alpine TV, DC Audio 10, 2 DC Audio amps, 4 6.5s, and 4 tweeters.
Okay.
Less is more.
Yeah, man, shoot, I ain't gonna lie to you. It sounds like you got way more than that.
In fact, that's why I done it. Less is more.
Yeah, it sounds like you got
really
more than that, man. But hey, appreciate you as usual, man.
For sure.
My dude, two Down for Life brothers sitting here, man. The same car club, chopping it up as usual. And hey, you as the viewers, appreciate you dropping in and check us out, man. Mike Richardson, Greg, aka G Arms, Yellow Lines.